This is 5 Hastey Lane. How would you use this building? There's a lot of different things you could use it for. Would you keep it what they're doing now? Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. This building over 6,500 square feet, over 140 feet long. There's a drilled well. It's got a unique use underway right now too. Stay tuned, we're going to Dyer, Brook. Dyer, Brook is one low-cost real estate town. They've got some woodlots they didn't sell off years ago. That was smart. Southern Rustic School is here. But other than that, they run a pretty tight ship. They don't need to be open every day at the town office. Hastings Lane, the next right-hand turn. You've got some extra land with some concrete slab for expansion. This foundation looks new under this section. It's tucked away. Here's a loading dock. Two garage bays. Here's one. Let's check out the inside of this warehouse. This is a medicinal grow. One use for this building. Got a security system. This is all painted white walls, so it's easy to work with. See the 3-bay stainless steel sink? What would you use this area for? Make comments down below. This is all insulated. 32 by 12, this would be a garage bay, or you could repurpose it to something else. Here's another grow room. This is like another operation, so you can have 2 incubator spaces under the same building. This grow room not being used right now. Like anything, and I can attest because I grew up on a farm, farming's very humbling. There's a learning curve. You're dealing with the weather, the market, lots of variables, a lot of which you can't control. That's why many people call farming gambling. You throw all those $1,000 bills out in the field, you hope you break even. That's a good year. Here's your second garage with the overhead door. That's 5 Hastey Lane. What do you think? You could easily make it into manufacturing, light distribution. It could be incubator space for a lot of little businesses. Kind of like one main landlord, but you have your little space that you rent out. Help each other out. Sometimes some businesses just can't handle the overhead of the entire building, but they would rent for a premium part of it. So let me know questions you have. Go down below. You know the drill. Please like the video, share the video, and we really appreciate you being a subscriber. If you're not, please consider this a personal invitation to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next upload. Stick around, more videos coming up. We just did Dyer, Brook. What's the next one, Andy? A piece of land in Ludlow. But we try to have something for everybody. Lakefront, Victorian homes, mom and pop groceries. Get it all when you're in a small, rural, northern Maine real estate area.